Welcome back, Smile Jammers. He said, she said. So our producer decided to give us some thought-provoking questions. And Neville and I have to say which we would rather.
Would you rather lose the ability to read or lose the ability to speak?
When you say lose the ability to read, what do you mean?
Well, that may just also say if
you can't see words.
If I can't see, then I would rather lose the ability to speak. But if I can still see,
me speak.
Yeah.
Come here, go tell you what I want.
Yeah. So
if I can't say, Neville, me can't read this. Read it for me now,
yeah,
please.
if I can't see, I rather the ability to speak.
Yeah.
What's the next one?
Would you rather be covered in fur or covered in scales?
Fur.
The fur got hot though.
Scales don't make me feel that way. But then you can go in a air conditioned
Scale will
place.
make you itchy, not
Yeah,
true?
you can go in a air condition if you're hot.
Yeah.
Would you rather be in jail for a year or lose a year of your life?
Depends on the jail.
And it depends on, like, if me go reach 110 and then me go dead 109.
It depends on it. Well, technically, if you go to jail for a year, you are losing a year
Of your life.
of your life, technically. So,
The next one easy for me.
would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 2? Well, Bert is always 1 hour early.
2.
Yeah. So,
Two.
him not fit.
That one is easy for me.
So, the two with them on two opposite spectrum.
Would you rather have one real get out of jail free card or a key that opens any door? No, so that key that me want.
Well, me not go to jail.
Me want that key there.
I don't plan to go to jail.
Me just want to know where you put the money
So
and that key that me want to open that door. That's me.
I open it, open it anyway. Would you rather know the history of every object you touched or be able to talk to animals?
Me not like talk to animals. Me don't want to ask Alice why you just come in my life.
Touch.
Me don't like ask Alice. We come in my life with just compression.
I don't want to know the history of every object me touch.
No, sir.
Next thing I go touch Neville pants and then I have to go know the history. Me don't want to know.
Me just tell you which store me buy it.
You know, I know the store alone. Me have to go know. No.
Me say me buy it at the store 6 months ago. I wear it 4 times and it go clean as it go clean as 2 times. Would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality?
No, take it back.
No, I said 10 and then I pulled back my hand after I said bad personality. Would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality or a 6 with an amazing personality?
I'd marry the 6. Because if the 10 have a bad personality, very soon you're going to look like a 0 to me. Yeah, man. You look like a 0. You could have looked like Idris. If your personality bad, after a while, you're just going to look like an alligator to me.
10 nice still way. If me look at a 10 and me look at a 6. But I don't take my chance with the bad personality.
And I'm glad you said that, Neville, because that's exactly how men and women think. A man ever said, she miserably, you know, but
Yeah, she look nice.
she look good. And it's a boss, you put up with that lady and I'm saying, hey, that woman,
Anyway.
you hear that woman that treat that man there, you know, but
In a serious way,
me see why.
a 6 can't be that bad. Me not take the
You
6
hear where you
with.
go?
No, me not take the 6 with an amazing
He
personality.
is not lying.
But while I am with the 6 with the amazing personality, I saw me a preps the 10 because
Hey.
he's chef.
Hey, he is not lying. Sometimes
I joke me a make man stop it.
No, but sometimes it's a relationship and you say, look what that money, angle of money. And people that say, you see her though, and that's why.
I joke me a make.
Don't forget
Chef,
the
the 6 with the amazing personality.
And that's a problem. Because you have amazing personality. You see 10, and you're there with the 10 and you're there pre somebody 10 would have give away all of But the 6 are going to say, why are you doing that? I don't appreciate that and try to meet you halfway.
The 10 will say, hey boy.
Yeah, man.
How we
Yeah,
are
man.
look
The 10 I give away all of
Would you rather have all traffic lights you approach be green or never have to stand in line again. No, I don't want to stand in line.
I don't want to stand in line, especially at the airport.
No, but anyway.
When you're in a traffic light, I sit down, sit down. Me wait.
You know, truth be told, I don't mind standing in line, you know, if we were just very disciplined and we are move around the place and things. I don't have a problem with that. If things are moved, then fine. But when you stand in line and you just stand up there for half for 45 minutes, no, sir, that can't make no sense. What's the next one?
Would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself? I don't want to see nobody else's future. I want to see my future. I want to see Friday at 9 o'clock after Super Lotto draw.
No, but if you say you lose, you're going to do yourself something.
No, but maybe see the number.
Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah, but 10 minutes you'd have to stand up at the door. So by the time you reach the time, you can't.
Me have the paper in my hand and go, so. Give me the 10 minutes in my future. I'm going.
Would you rather be the first person to explore a planet or be with a 10? No, joke. Joke. Would you rather be the first person to explore a planet or be the inventor of a drug that cures a deadly disease? Then that's not easy. Let me know why I'm the inventor.
When I go by planet, you never watch sci-fi movie.
Go do what?
The people them always go to the planet first and them always buck up the something them where I kill them. I don't want to go up there. I want to go after who dead. Send back and say, don't come, there's something up here killing people. I don't want to go.
No, me definitely would want to cure a deadly disease.
Look here, I don't ever want to go to a sea, go discover an island. Much less go
anyway,
to a
back to the 6 and the 10.
Please, go back to the 6 and the 10.
Well, cut me 10 for
what
that
is a 10? What's a 10? Tell me what's a 10.
Bo Derek. You want to see them you call 10? You're just Bo Derek?
To some people, but what's your 10?
You know, Beyonce. Beyonce is a 10.
She could be, you know.
Yeah.
Talent, smart.
Who else?
Driven. Rihanna could be a 10 too.
You know, I don't know Rihanna.
Yeah?
I'm serious. I said it before. If Rihanna stand up in front of me, you know, me wouldn't know she.
Could be a 10.
Jennifer Lopez.
So no Jamaican woman and a 10. You hear the name them on that?
Yeah, no.
They give you a 2 and then you look where you got now. Jennifer Lopez.
Wait, no man. You have plenty Jamaican.
Shelly and Fraser Price is at 20.
You're not listening to me, you know.
Go on, darling.
You have plenty Jamaican women, but if they go mention nobody woman, and a man see me around and say, hey boy.
Shelly and Fraser Price.
I'm afraid to call the names that.
Shelly
There is one
Fraser
that I think is about a 57. No, sir, I don't call her name. Eh? I told you want to get me.
Yendi.
Eh? Yeah, well, oh yeah, Yendi is my boyfriend. Yes, that's it.
All the ladies that work on Smash
My ladies are
Jamaica,
145.
Your ladies are 100 years old?
Close. They don't rate me, you know. You remember I said, would you want to be with a 10? That's what I said, you know. Notice that me say, I'm done talk.
And then you say, with a bad personality.
I did not say.
Because you know they left the hand out there. The wrong person. We have a lot of 10s in Jamaica. I could call names all morning.
Many.
I could call names all morning.
We're going to go for a break. 10 minutes
Church sister. Church sister is a 10. You know who we call church sister?
No.
Emily Shields.
Why you call her church sister?
Because they call her online.
Oh.
The people them church sister.
You know, trouble